This is our tools. Woohoo. Whoa! I was busting my ass there. What the fuck? Anyway. Mazdaspeed 3, we're gonna do front mount. Oh! I'm gonna get rid of that cheap ass CX Racing stuff. Alright, I got that off. I guess if you don't know how to do it, you know, taking this shit off. You got some clips and bolts and shit. I'm not gonna explain that. You're good. Alright. Anyway, there's the stock intercooler, or not stock, but you know, it's just as efficient as stock. Go ahead and take that. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna measure from here to here, because my clearance is already a little bit low. And so after I cut this up and mount the Mishimoto, hopefully I can get it to like here, maybe. We'll see. Anything above the bottom of this is nice. But okay. Alright. Mishimoto end line. She's beautiful. Now we gotta take the CX Racing shit off. I think those are 14s, 13s, something like that. Done my mess, cleaned out the garage because we're going to be fixing the floor. Y'all don't want to see this. Oh well, there's a difference between intercoolers. That's a massive difference actually. It's about the same thickness. Mishimoto, this little area right here is actually quite a bit bigger than this one. And this one, she's a whore. This one a little bit bigger of a whore. She's a big girl. Okay. Time to get that crash bar off. Okay. I got that off. That was 8 14mm bolts and 3 10mm bolts. Those little 10mm, it's gonna be hard to find, but one is right there under the headlight on both sides, and then one in the center. So, all right, time to measure and cut. Something tells me it's gonna suck. Oh yeah. So I've cut the back as I think I missed a spot, as evenly as I could. Yeah. And it's cut all the way along there. About to see how this goes. So, I was looking at this and realized that's 2.5 inch, and that's 3 inch. And these are fitting that 2.5 inch really snug. So I'm probably gonna cut it there, put a 90-degree pipe, put a 2.5 to 3 inch adapter coupler. Fuck cars. Alright, well, I got it done. I had to go get... Alright, so this was a waste of money. I went and bought this. It turns out it was a 2 inch... I guess... What does this thing say? 2.5 inch ID to 2.5 inch OD. I didn't realize it was OD on that one. But it doesn't matter. I cut off the 2.5 inch pipe. It was about... I don't know why I'm doing that, I can't really tell. It's probably 4 inches long, like a 4 inch long pipe. And I had to get 2.5 to 3 inch adapter couplers. And then in between the coupler and the factory tubing is that little 2.5 inch pipe. Seems to be on there pretty good. And yes, I ended up, they didn't have 2 black ones, so I got a black and a red one. Whatever. That's how it turned out. I think that's pretty fucking sweet. Here soon, I'm probably going to be doing that little thing with like the hole saw. You know, hole here, all the way down both sides. Maybe. Or I'm just going to save it and get that GV grill or go grillless. Who knows? Looks good though. Hope y'all like it.